Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 Ethereum ecosystem coins outside of the top 50. We're going to start with DEXE, followed by Arbitrum, KCS, Maker, Fetch, WorldCoin, BONK, Quant, Graph, and Immutable X. Let's get straight into it. DEXE against USD. Ooh, I feel like DEXE is going to drop lower. Why? Because we are right at the edge of the skinny pink line. I suspect that DEXE is going to form a bearish continuation chart pattern and hit lower. I think we're coming lower. I think we're going to clear all of these classes of sales, pulling us potentially towards $5. So to me, DEXE is a short though. Right? We may rise a little bit more, but I suspect that DEXE eventually will form a bearish continuation chart pattern as it falls lower. Arbitrum, super disappointment. So for Arbitrum, here we are for Arbitrum. We actually caught the double bottom over here at 70 cents. Bam! It rallied and bam! It came all the way back down to 46 cents from $2. There was a strong rally. Skinny pink line acted as a resistance. At $1.22, we started falling again. Now we're at 26 cents. Hey, yo, bro. Right, this is 3 waves down. I suspect that eventually we're going to see some sort of a bullish rally, right? More likely than not, there should be a rally. We are severely oversold. So yeah, we're waiting for the rally to come on. I still think that Arbitrum will eventually reverse back up. Maybe we drop to 20 cents first before the reversal comes in. KCS, okay, so KuCoin shares is looking pretty good to me. So for KuCoin shares, we are potentially in a squeeze here. But at the same time, we could still drop lower. And this whole thing could still be another squeeze to break higher. Absolutely possible. So if we were to drop lower, where will we drop to? Again, I think it's $5. Sub $5. Potentially 470, sub 470. Right. If BTC continues dropping, very likely we're going to clear all of these clusters of sales here. As KuCoin shares drops much lower. Maker, one of my favorite, absolute favorite. So for Maker, we're in a huge squeeze, equivalent to what we're seeing on KCS as well, like what we just saw. I think that if BTC drops, very likely Maker could be dropping as well. We are still anticipating these lows to be taken out at around 657. So I mean, if we start breaking out from here above the skinny pink line, great. We'll wait for the retrace before taking a right towards 10,000. I think Maker is forming a very big, gigantic squeeze, equivalent to what we're seeing on Ethereum. And because Ethereum very likely is squeezing, so all the other Ethereum coins in the ecosystem is squeezing as well. Fetch against USD. Okay, so probably Fetch is not. Fetch doesn't have a squeeze. We noted the head and shoulders over here. We had a target over here at 63, 64 cents. We've hit targets and we continue dropping lower. Right now we're at sub 40 cents. Could we still hit even lower? Yeah, sure. Maybe another dip, but I expect a rally eventually for Fetch. WorldCoin against USD. WorldCoin is also dropping. Any signs of a reversal? No. So WorldCoin is still looking pretty weak. I still think that a rally is going to come eventually, but I think we're probably going to drop past 50 cents first for WorldCoin. BONK is also down. I think that BONK is potentially preparing for a big move down. I don't know if you're going to be getting mountain ranges, but yeah, BONK is not looking too good to me, right? BONK had a very strong rally from the very bottoms over here, right? It's a banana rally, 28,000%. Right now we're at 1,000, so we have a target here at 320. So this is still a long way down, right? There was a mountain range over here, which we spotted, and this mountain range gave us a target of 320. Right, we're gonna go past this noisy area down to this particular noisy area. So if it were to be me, I think probably 300 though. We're gonna go past 300. So right now at 1,000. So this is still a long way down. Again, just like all the other coins, I still think that a rally could present itself. Once a rally does present itself, and if you get a very nice bearish continuation, yeah, we're gonna take a big trade down towards 300. So that's BONK for you. Quant. So this is where we are for Quant. Quant is in a very big squeeze. Lower highs, higher lows. If we drop lower, clearing these lows, hopefully this low remains intact. If this low remains intact, then very likely we could squeeze and break out for quant. But it remains to be seen. So yeah, we're gonna have to wait and see how things go. The graph, here we are for the graph, keeps dropping lower. No squeeze for the graph. You can see 3 waves down. Could it be a 4 and a 5? Not too sure, not too sure. IMX, super disappointing. Reason being, IMX has already taken out these lows. I was anticipating IMX to squeeze here, right? A, B, C, D, E, breakout. This would have been fantastic, but it's not squeezing. Oh my god. Sadly, we've already taken out these lows. So, yeah, that's it for IMX. We're going to have to move on. Alright, boys and girls. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-ta.